channel. I'm Alex. If you're new here, please subscribe below if you like videos for luxury unboxing, reviews, comparisons, travel, and more. So let's start with today's video. I have a box, as you probably see on the name of this video. It's Gucci shoes, and I got this from DSW. So as you know, DSW, like, I'm not sure how long they start to carry Gucci stuff, but recently they have like a lot of choices because, like, for example, about like several months ago, probably like a half a year or a year ago, they had like only flats available, like classic Gucci flats, and that's it. So now they do have a lot of sandals, sneakers, loafers, whatever, like you just could imagine, and with good prices. Plus, if you do for example have DSW rewards program benefits, so you have like even more like discount and options. So I'm gonna tell about this a little bit later. About this box, let me move camera. So basically I went to DSW website and check whatever they have available Gucci stuff, and I mentioned they do like drop new stuff at least weekly, and then I checked this website. They had like a lot of options available at that moment, and I found something I'd say really super good price for the Gucci, and I obviously got it. So they do send you in this classic Gucci box, all like it's supposed to be from any other Gucci store. Okay, so this is all this return labels and stuff, and the shoes I got is Gucci Freya loafers, and I got them, color is 10, and I got them in size 36. And about the size, it's as I had like how it's called, like sandals in size 5, and I got them from Gucci, and I sold them like a long time ago, but it was like my first shoe that I tried from Gucci, and now I got it in size 36 because I wasn't sure about, usually I always buy like stuff in size 6 or 36, so I wasn't sure if I can buy this one in size 36, like 35 and a half, and it was two options, 35 or 36, and I was like wasn't sure about 35, so I got this in 36, but I would definitely go like half size down. 35 and a half would be perfect. It's like, I guess for all the Gucci shoes it's like kind of the same thing. Okay, so I got these loafers because they were super cheap. It's not really much of a style that I usually wear, but actually I looked around and realized I could wear it with a lot of stuff, so it should be super good. Okay, so as I said, you have this original Gucci box, which is super good. So inside we have here Gucci. So it's like all this information about leather and blah blah blah, all the stuff here, and inside they look like this. So there is two Gucci dust bags here and shoes inside the plastic bags. So you have two Gucci dust bags for the shoes. They always like this. Even when I bought stuff from Gucci outlet store or just Gucci stores, they have all the same, this kind of dust bags for two shoes. And I actually never use two of them. I always use just one because I don't know, it's like too much space. When I need to travel, I just put in one both shoes and I'm good to go. Okay, so let's see the shoes. So I actually, it's the first time when I buy loafers. I'm not sure how they exactly pronounce this, loafers. So this is actually my first loafers ever. I never like usually wear something like this. I can wear sandals or mostly like sneakers, something like slip-on sneakers. And this is pretty much similar to slip-on style. Actually it is slip-on, but it's kind of a little bit more dressy, I'd say. Okay, so this is how the color is, this tan with Gucci, classic Gucci pattern here, logos. And over here it's little kind of, I would say it's kind of like a carpet thing, like a little bit like a carpet stuff. I don't know what is this, but it feels very nice. So the sole looks like this, classic Gucci, and here you see this B Gucci kind of thing, and some hardware in front of the shoes over here. And this is in a kind of like old gold, so it's not gonna see any, you won't see any scratches here or anything, because it's already kind of like in the oldish style here, as you can see. Okay, so let me pull this out. So it's like this, and it looks really, really nice. As I said, this is 30, it says Gucci, made in Italy, and size is 36. And as I said, it's a little bit, just like super little bit bigger for me than I would prefer it. But there still shouldn't be any problems to wear them. But if it would be like 35.5, I would be more happy with my purchase. But I like them anyway. First of all, because when I got them, they like was sold out almost right away. I guess because of the price that we're gonna talk in a bit after I can show like whatever it's here. So inside, this material inside, on like sole and like bags over here on the sides, it's all kind of like a towel. It's literally like a towel when you touch it. So I believe this is like, it should be super cool to wear and very comfortable. And inside you have this kind of thing here. It's I'm not sure if you can see, but it says Gucci, made in Italy here inside. And this is a canvas, just like regular one. I have like some bags that have this canvas, and it's really very, very durable, I would say. Okay, so inside you also have size in here, that it's 36 over here, and also what else, and also there is size here, but it's kind of like a sticker that when it's gonna disappear you won't even know what size it is, so it's like inside. Okay, so this is really dressy shoes. I literally can imagine wearing them not only like with some leggings or jeans. It's gonna look great with any dress kind of thing. I don't know, skirts, whatever. It's really can be dressed up and down, whatever you prefer. So you can just go I don't know, to the store and wear them just in an easy way, or you can just wear them with a dress. It's really classy. It's kind of like a vintage, and they really, yeah, I actually so much like them, and they're really nice because, and also it's like a tan which goes like with everything literally. It's like black and white that you can wear everywhere. They had like this also in white and black. They kind of like white and always GG here. It says like in the black. And I want this is I wanted them as well, but they just they have them available only like in the men's department, so, and different sizes and stuff. In women's department they had this one. They had like green one with red letters, I mean red GGs here, and they had blue one with red GGs. And this one is like appealing most to me because it's more like more durable and versatile, because I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear like green ones with red leathers and stuff. So, and this one is definitely the win from all these colors. Okay, so let me open up the second one really quick just to see both of them. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is how this beautiful shoes look over here. Okay, very nice and really cute ones. As you can see, all this gold hardware, all this tan color like beige and stuff. It's really super cool and for like everyday use, like, and I guess it even could be not only like summer shoes, but probably when it's gonna be fall or like a springtime, it should be worn as well. So a lot of options to wear this beautiful shoes. And actually they are very comfortable as well. Probably they would be more comfortable for me if I got it in a half size down, but anyway, even in this size I would exchange them for half size down if they have them, but they don't, so I have to figure out this one. So to keep this one and figure out, like, probably just to put, I don't know, something in there to make it more comfortable for me. Okay, so let's talk about the prices. This okay, let me see, find my label, and the price is actually very good comparing to like any other department stores or Gucci website, for example. So anything similar to this would cost about 700 something, usually about like 740 something like that, definitely, because I see right now Gucci website has this one, but it's in blue, like it's light blue and like gray GGs everywhere, and they have it for like 740 or 820, something like this. So, and this is like the only color I have, but so this is the price basically for this one. And Gucci, I mean DSW, they have this for $349.99. So this is pretty much insane when you talk about Gucci shoes, and for price for 300 something. And so basically I paid for this one with taxes and everything, so it was $370. So $370 for this one is pretty good deal, I would say. And also the good thing about, then you have like DSW rewards and kind of thing, you have all these benefits, and when you like you always have in your account like double your points, or like 3 times more points for purchases. And this time I had like available 1 free time purchases like bonuses, and two times. Obviously I used 3 times points for this one, so 3 times points for $349.99, and it gave me $85 in my DSW account. So right now I have right now I have $85 back in rewards in my account for just these shoes. So basically I got them for $370, and I got this $85 in my account right now, which is goes them down to like $280 something. So this is pretty much good deal, and it's like kind of crazy. And right now I actually, then I opened today DSW website, I saw they have like so many different Gucci styles, from heels, sneakers, like slip-ons, and a lot of stuff like that. I saw also these shoes that I'm gonna show right now, and this is like Ace sneakers, and they have them for $499.99, and I could buy them for just $414 if I'm gonna use, for example, my $85 reward, which I'm thinking about, because I have like now like ideas what would I want to buy, but this is one of my options and choices. So I definitely want to buy some Gucci from DSW to use this $85, so to get like the best deal. Okay, so I guess this is it about these shoes. it's actually already took a long time to talk about them, so I just gonna say that I am super happy that I checked website and saw them, because they were sold out super quick, because it's super cheap, like free $49.99. It's super insanely cheap for Gucci. I definitely gonna make another video when I'm figure out what Gucci shoes gonna be next with this $85 that I have, and probably it's gonna be this white H sneakers, but I'm not quite decided yet.